Use the right lane to take exit 1 toward Primm.
Today we are back at Primm after the reopening. If you guys don't know, Primm was closed for a little bit before it was bought out by Terribles. So we're gonna go inside and do a little exploring. Okay, we've walked in to Primm Valley Resort. And here it is in all its glory, post-reopening. So as you can see behind me, they've blocked off the entrance to the mall. There's no way to get in there unless we go around the other side and see if there's a door that's open. But yeah, that's the latest update. They've fully blocked it off. The Bonnie and Clyde exhibit is still here. It's really cool. If you can come see it, I highly recommend. It used to be at Buffalo Bills, but they've moved it over to Primm Valley. The saloon over here doesn't look like it's quite open yet. It would be nice to get a drink over here. I think they open later. First impression, the casino floor is pretty quiet, just like how it used to be. It is a Thursday morning, so I'm sure they get a ton more foot traffic during the weekends. The bar that's open is close to the sports book, and it's on the other side of the casino. I think we're gonna go over there and get a drink. They also have ceiling fans. That's so funny. I knew I saw ceiling fans somewhere prior to going to Tropicana in Laughlin. It was here. So cute. They have this little arcade area in the corner, a designated area for kids. I used to come here when I was little, so I can appreciate stuff like this. Primm even has its own steakhouse. It's not open right now. So we have the diner over here. It looks like it's the only food place that's open right now. They've got your traditional American sandwiches, breakfasts, and pizza. So since I'm not driving, I figured I'd get a drink at the bar. I got a vodka soda. I should have asked if they do Bloody Marys, but I was under pressure. Oof. Strong. I'm just lightly gambling. So far, I've lost a good amount, so we'll see how this ends up. The service here was lightning fast. I've seen a ton of new slot machines, you know, the big ones with the screens. So I think we're gonna go sign up for a player's card. I have yet to do that. And they're doing 20 bucks free play. It's a strong drink. The hotel is open. I saw a few people checking in. It would be interesting to stay here. I might do that in the future. There's a very chill and quiet vibe here. You could tell that that's what it's like here on weekdays. Now all they have to do is reopen Buffalo Bills. That was my favorite casino here at Primm. We're getting a hand pay of $2. The machine is broken. I've had this happen to me at Silverton before. Such a tease. Old monorail here, still kicking it. It used to take you over to the hotel on the other side, Whiskey Pete's. It's so cool, and it's still sitting here. I wonder if they'll ever repurpose it. So if you walk down this stairwell, you'll reach the pool. It's currently closed because I think it's chained up, but they do in fact have their own pool. They have a gift shop. Unfortunately, it's only open Friday through Sunday, and it's Thursday today, so they're currently closed, but I would like to see what's inside and possibly get a hat. So over here you have check-in, and then you can actually book a room on the first floor. I've always found that fascinating. No elevator access, you just walk out and you're on the casino floor. Over here at this end of the casino, applying for some players cards. We're gonna play our free play. We're at double top dollar. I am a sucker for the 3 reel slots. Cool. Should I put more? Let's see. Okay, we only won $4 from our 20, so let's move on. Okay, we're over here on Dragon Link and playing the rest of our free play. Didn't have too much luck on the free play. We won overall, I think, $15, but I did get another drink out of it. I'm not an avid slot player. I usually go for blackjack or roulette. As the day has progressed, it's gotten a lot busier here. I've really enjoyed my time here at Primm Valley. I think it's definitely worth a visit. It looks like they're gonna open a 24/7 cafe over here on this side of the casino. This is my favorite part of Primm Valley. It's this stained glass little accent by check-in, and if you look at it, it's just so detailed and so pretty. We're just driving around the mall right now. There's no clear entrance. It looks like everything is boarded off. But I have seen that some of the artwork has been taken down. Looks like this place is still open and thriving. The Lotto store is still here. And look at that, it's packed. Buffalo Bill's is still closed. There's no word on whether it will reopen or not, but it is my favorite casino over here at Primm. I know a lot of people really liked their coaster. I'm not much of a coaster person. I think you'd have to put a gun to my head to get on this. Looks like Whiskey Pete's is offering ghost tours here as well. So cool. I would totally be down for something like that. Whiskey Pete's is still closed as well. It would be awesome if all 3 casinos were operational. I think this place would do a lot better. Hopefully we'll see that at some point in the future. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, and until next time, bye!